Well, this video is about using a basic shape and seeing what I can do with it. So this is the basic shape of the cube, and I'm simply going to give it 3 tones. Keep it simple and you'll understand the principle. So the light is coming from here. So this will receive the most light, this surface plane, and this therefore will receive the least. So we'll do that one first. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw things from nature, and I'm going to draw the same sort of things from a man-made perspective or a person-made perspective. So that's receiving no light, so therefore there's no light on this side, so therefore it's the darkest of the tones, the 3 tones that I'm going to use. I'll just put some shadow there to emphasize that. Right, and this will be a mid-tone here. Right, now we can have something over this way, and I'd like to make it a table. So it's a man-made thing. So you can see its cube-like structure is quite similar, but it's going to have the 3 tones. As I develop these drawings, we'll notice that the tones will become more subtle and won't be exactly 3 as it becomes more complex. but the principle will be there, always there. So I was saying that before that as I develop these into more complex shapes, still based, of course, entirely on the cube, but these shapes will vary. So there'll be subtle changes. It won't be a basic 1, 2, 3. It'll be add 4 and 5 in there as well. But I think you get the point that these shapes are all based on the cube. Now, let's see. I find a good picture of a rock, and I've got a couple of man-made things here, and you can see the relevance to the 3D effect. But so we want to put a rock or something like that in this scene. So quite simply, this will be this part here, and here will be the high key, and some of this down here will be the darkest, and some will be in the middle. Now, a rock is fairly irregular, and that's what makes them interesting, but it's even though it's irregular, it still conforms to the same principle of a cube. So there you have it, everyone. This just based on the cube, all of these shapes can be made, even a rock on a beach. So it's just amazing how from such a simple shape that all of these things are quite believable. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching, and if you could like and subscribe and share with your friends, that would be helpful to me, and it would be able to encourage me to make more videos. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.